Now, hey, what's going on, YouTube? Aaron here with OMC Off-Road. Welcome to our channel. What we go over here is our projects and builds that we're currently doing in the shop. And we also go over and review new and old products for OMC Off-Road and things that are coming. So if you like what you see and you enjoy the content, make sure you hit the like button below, subscribe, and follow along. And we'll see what goes down. Stick around. You know. What's going on, guys? There we go. Back at it again. Working on Eleanor. So, got a few things we're doing. Some rust repair, some rust cleanup. Show you what we got going on out here. So, we got to get a little bit of this rust cleaned up in here. And just finished vacuuming it all up, getting it all cleaned out. Didn't record the teardown because I don't know how many times you can see teardown on something. And then we're going to be doing the carpet kits. Clean up the seats a little bit more. Need to retouch. Oh, there it is. The headrests, both sides. So I'll clean them up, wipe them down some acetone, respray them, and yeah. Alright guys, so after letting everything cure overnight on the first coat, let's go take a walk out here, see what we've got going on. So we got the first coat down. This is the second coat. All the treated areas. So once all this dries up, I'm going to give this about 4 hours to dry up, and once it's dried up, we will spray it with here, let me go show you. There's that. So then, after 3 or 4 hours, or maybe even tomorrow, gonna hit it with some top coat. So there you have it, guys. That's what we're working on. A little rust repair before the carpet goes in. And the padding and some other stuff and sound ending. But hey, it's what we do. So till next time, guys, we catch up and we get the interior done, the surprise, and we get all that laid out and put back together. So, we'll see you guys.